Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XRP from your Tangem wallet to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Why bother? Well, transferring XRP can help you manage your assets across different blockchains, especially as the crypto world evolves with new updates and integrations. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Tangem wallet with XRP in it, double-check your balance, and MetaMask installed on your device. Also, ensure you're connected to the right network. For XRP, we're dealing with the XRP ledger, but MetaMask might require a bridge or wrapper token like XRP on Ethereum. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the XRP asset. Select it from your portfolio. It's usually straightforward with a quick search. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll need to enter the recipient address from your MetaMask wallet. To get that, open MetaMask, switch to the appropriate network if needed, and copy the address from the account you want to receive the XRP. Step 3. In the Tangem app, paste the MetaMask address, specify the amount of XRP you want to send, and double-check for any fees. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might be even lower due to network upgrades, but always confirm. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, address, and any gas fees if bridging is involved. Once you're sure, confirm the send on your Tangem device for added security. After that, keep an eye on your MetaMask wallet. The transfer might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for correct network settings or insufficient funds. Pro tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to stay safe in the crypto space. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Tangem to MetaMask in 2025. It's easier than you think once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.